Here in Elmira, Steele Memorial Library is a staple of the community for over hundreds of years. One of the core memory for many are the red and blue seats that line the library. As the library gets set to go under renovations, some of the iconic chairs are now up for sales.
They long precede me, but they've been around, I know, since at least the 70s, even just throughout my time here. But I hear this a lot from the staff at the library as well. People are constantly saying, if you ever get rid of that chair, I'd love to have one.
And for locals such as Sarah, the chairs are a chance to bring a childhood memory back to the home.
I came here every Monday evening, I believe. My mom would bring my brother and I after she got out of work. Obviously as a child and sit in them and slide into them, but then as I got older and I was in high school and in college, I would come here to do my coursework, and I would always think to myself, oh, I'm going to go sit in one of those chairs. And
Benefits from the sales will be going to the Friends of the Chemung Library District, a nonprofit that helps fund activities around the library. Steele Memorial will see some major changes coming soon.
In October to start the new changes that are coming to the youth department, and then we're going to be expanding our maker space, which is very popular.
Also be fiberglass for safety over the balcony and even more. And more renovations, such as an outside courtyard, are looking to make their way here to the Steele Memorial Library. Dante Brown, Big Fox News, Elmira.